रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू कौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear students, I'm Amir Miraj and I'm going to teach you mathematics. This is exercise 4.1 and question number 4. Today I will teach you question number 4, and this exercise is about factorization. This is Federal Board Mathematics. Now this is the question that x plus 2 whole square minus 8 into k plus 2 plus 16. This is the question, and in this question we will use the formula of a plus b whole square. In the factorization, this formula is very important, a plus b whole square. This equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula, and in this formula we use this formula to solve this factorization. And this is so simple. Instead of a we have k plus 2 here, and now this is k plus 2 whole square minus 8, and we write the formula 2 here, and then k plus 2, this value goes here, and we will leave this bracket blank, and plus we have this is 16, this is the 4 square, so we write 4 here. So this formula completes here. Now we see that the a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula of negative. Instead of positive we use the negative formula. This is not the positive sign, this is negative here, and this negative here with 2. So we use the negative formula a minus b whole square, this equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this is of the form of this formula. So we write the first value, that is k plus 2, which is inside the bracket. This is k plus 2, the first one, and we do not write what is written inside the bracket here. We will write this k plus 2, and then we write this 4, and this is in the square bracket. So what is written in the square bracket, we only write this, and because this is the negative here with the 2, so we write the negative sign. We write the negative sign here, minus, and we write 4 here, and this is whole square. Now you may simplify this. This is k plus 2 minus 4 whole square, or you may simplify this is k minus 4 plus 2, this is minus 2 whole square. So that's all. This is the factorization, and this is the final answer. I think so you understand well. So thank you very much all of you. Allah Hafiz.